Okay, so my car is definitely dead. Gotta start it. It doesn't do anything. So let's try this thing. So we're gonna turn it on. And then I think we're supposed to push that button. I can't remember. Let's go ahead and connect it. It's flashing. This car's been sitting for a couple weeks, and the battery might be on its way out anyways. Okay. There you go. Wasn't a super strong start, but it did work. And that was on a partial charge. I've already used this 3 or 4 times, or 6 times maybe on other cars, so on a partial charge it started right up. Probably wouldn't work for a diesel. This 1000 amp GB40 probably wouldn't work on a bigger car or a diesel, but it does work on here. This is a 3.2 liter, and it's worked on my 4.7 Toyota as well. So there you go.
So I want to do a quick product review. This is actually the NOCO Boost Plus. It's the GB40 edition or model, and it comes in a 12 volt, sorry. So what do I really like about this product? All you have to do with this is that you just have to charge it up, have this in your car ready to go for whenever you might need it. If your battery dies, if you have a defective battery, and the best way to do that is by using this USB out. It comes with these few things. Let me just show you. It comes with this cable that has both a micro USB and the USB. And then this USB is called USB-A for those of you that might not be familiar. And this one is micro USB. This one is actually going to be used to jumpstart your car. I'll show you how that goes as well real quick. It also comes with this one goes right into the car. I'm sure you guys are familiar with it. And this has, the other end is a USB-A. And lastly, the bag to carry all of this in, super practical. And this thing has been a godsend and a lifesaver. So what you do is you charge this up when you start it. I just got this one. I just purchased it, so the charge is really low, but it should be on green all the way after you've charged it. And then what you would do if you're going to start your car is that you would plug in this end over here as such. So this would go in here like this, right? And then you get these ends, and there's both the positive and the negative. And these would basically go right onto your battery. And just think of this as another car. So you don't even need to use another car anymore to jumpstart your car if you get stranded for any reason. The other thing I love about this product is the flashlight. So if you're out in the dark, which has happened to me in the past, and it can be scary. Let me just remove this so I can show you what the flashlight looks like. You're gonna want to use that flashlight, and when it shines, it's actually really bright. But you can also change the format of the light. So if you hold it down, if you can tell, now it's flickering, and now it's back to the first format. So like I said, this is super practical, especially when you're stranded out in the dark. And then again, you charge it here. And then if you ever need to charge what I recommend is use the micro USB that's on this end. This is how I charge it. This is how I charge the unit. The micro USB that's here, you see that, is gonna go in here. And let me do that. Let me show you kind of what that would look like. And then the other end, there it is. So it's plugged in. This end would go right into the wall, or maybe even into your car if you want to charge it in the car, but I usually plug this in the wall. Just attach this to any adapter and let it charge, let it do its thing. The other thing I love about this product is if you have, say, an iPhone, you need to charge it, you're out of battery, your phone died, you could literally just put the cable in here, hook the other end onto your phone, and you can actually charge, well, any device for that matter. But I find that my iPhone might be dead, and this thing would be able to recharge it if for any reason my car is dead, I have no battery, but I do have a NOCO Boost Plus. So highly recommend this.